Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from the Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a trade forecast on GBPUSD, a 1 to 23 risk reward ratio, stop loss of 5 pips, and a target of 126. Let me show you what happened and what made me look at this particular trade and everything else. All right, so from here on the 30 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that we had a nice rally base drop supply zone. Apart from that, we had price leaving behind equal highs right here. So what we're anticipating right now is for the market to come and take out this liquidity right here, and also wait for the market to take out the agent session which is going to be formed around this area before the market can come to this area, and then we can actually ride along to the downside. So why do I think this is going to go down? Because the overall trend of this particular market, it has been to the downside, and right now we are seeing that the market is now also left behind this beautiful structure right here. There's a lot of imbalanced candles right here which needs to be balanced. Therefore, that is more likely to actually happen. So if you can go to the daily time frame, let's check out what's happening right there. So you're going to realize the overall trend of GBPUSD is bearish. The overall on the daily is bearish. Therefore, we want to take advantage of that overall trend. You always have to make sure that you are trading in the direction of the trend. So we have zones like this zone right here on top. The market can potentially come to that level, and we also have this zone. So if this zone doesn't hold, then the next zone is going to be that one right here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we're looking at right here. So it's always important for you to do your own multiple time frame analysis, like I always encourage. So like I've said, if this zone where we are right now then doesn't hold, then the next zone is going to be on top here. If this doesn't hold, then the next zone is going to be right here on top right here. So it's all about focusing on the major areas that cause break of structure. It's very, very important. So like I've already explained right here, you can see that this change of character here was characterized by big momentum candles, as evident by these candles right. You can see that the market pushed with big momentum, then dropped, breaking this low right here, then went back, now created more liquidity. And like how we trade, we always want to see liquidity before we can get involved. So for the order block, you have to go to the lower time frame. Let's check out on the 50-minute time frame. Let's see if we can find our order block. So it's not on the 50-minute time frame. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame. So it's always important for you to do your multiple time frame analysis so that you get the premium order block, right? The most important order block that the market is likely to come to. So choosing a right order block is very important. Why? Because our anticipation is that the market left and fulfilled orders at those particular levels. So it's always important for us to really figure out which order block was responsible for that. You can see that the order block responsible for that was this one right here. So you just get the high and the low of that order block, and then you just mark it. And even from here, you can see that we had a QML, we had a low, we had a high, and the market broke structure to the downside, and that's what we're always looking for. So for now, it's just a waiting game. We're just going to wait and see how the market is going to progress from here. Remember, it's a 1 to 23 risk reward ratio. Very, very good trade potentially. However, you guys know that on a trade by trade basis, the outcomes are always random. So what I encourage you to do is that just mark this area. Don't put pending orders, but just mark it so that you'll be notified once the market has reached this area. All right. So once the market has come to that particular area, then you decide what to do, whether you're going to sell or not get involved, because depending on how the market is going to respond to that particular level. And like as always, these forecasts have already been shared in our mentorship community right here. You can see that we don't just have GBPUSD, but you have also Euro card, you have USD card, and also GBPUSD right here. So you are missing out if you're not in our M&F mentorship community. The first link in the description gets you access to the course right there, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. So make sure you check the first link in the description. You guys, I hope you found value in this short video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.